Hello, good morning students. Welcome back to your chemistry class. So students, today we'll be continue with the third chapter atom and molecules with new article that is your mole concept. Okay students, so what about the mole concept? It's a take a one example we how to be understand the term of mole concept. So firstly we discuss about here this NCERT content. Okay, so take example of reaction of hydrogen and oxygen try to form a water molecules. So here the take of example that is your hydrogen and oxygen, after combination it will get result is your water molecules. So in the above reaction that is your indicate that here the use of two molecules of hydrogen that is your combined with the one molecules of oxygen, and after completion of reaction that is obtain the two molecules of water. So here the mass of hydrogen is your molecule 4u. All you know that atomic mass is represent the u, and that is combined with the 32 u mass of oxygen molecules. So here the mass of oxygen is your 32 u, that is atomic mass representation, and to form a 36. So here the total mass of this water molecules that is your 36 u. So here B describes the quantity of substance can be expressed by mass or number of molecules. So here the quantity is expressed in terms of that is your mass or number of molecules, but the chemical equation reaction that is indicate directly the number of atoms. सो हमारे पास एज अ इक्वेशन और मास नंबर्स के अलावा हमारे पास क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, दैट इज इंडिकेट डायरेक्टली द number of atom. That means ki here hydrogen is present in your two hydrogen present. Okay, and that is indicate directly the number of atoms and molecules that is take part in a reaction. So therefore it is more convenient to refer the quantity of substance in terms of number of its molecule or atom. Okay, so understand what about the quantity of substance in terms of the number of its molecule or atom rather than your mass. So a new unit that is your mole, okay, so was introduced. So 1 mole of any species, that is your 1 mole of any species. Here be species like your atom or molecules, ions or particles. Okay, so 1 mole of any species that is atom, molecule, ions or particles is that quantity in numbers having a mass equal to its atomic or molecular mass in grams. Okay students, so this is about the definition of mole. Mole is what? 1 mole of any species, that is considered species, atom, molecule, ions or particle, is that quantity in number, is that quantity in number having mass equal to its atomic or molecular mass in grams. Okay, so this is about the definition of mole. The number of particle, that is atom, molecules or ions present in 1 mole of any substance is fixed. Okay, so here number of particles in 1 mole में number of particles, जैसे हमारे पास है number of particle in terms of atom, molecules and ions present in 1 mole of any substance is fixed, and the value is your 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23, and this value is obtained by the experimental method. So the number is called Avogadro constant or Avogadro number. That means कि this is your value of constant value 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23, that is be called as a Avogadro constant or Avogadro number, and it is represented by the n naught. That is your zero value is places in the foot, and that is be called as a n naught. So name in honors of the Italian scientist, that is your Amedeo Avogadro. So 1 mole of anything that is equal to the 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 in number. जैसे सपोज दैट हम इन मार्केट्स में पूछते हैं कि 1 दर्जन इज इक्वल टू 12 नंबर. जैसे हम केले की बात करते हैं कि हमें 1 दर्जन केला है, ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे 12 केले हमें देखने को मिलते हैं 1 दर्जन में. तो सेम एज इट इज़ 1 मोल इज इक्वल टू 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 numbers. Okay, so beside being related to a number, a mole has one more advantage over dozen or gross. The advantages is that कि 1 mole of particular substance is also fixed. Okay, the advantage is that mass of 1 mole of a particular substance is also fixed. So, the mass of 1 mole of a substance is equal to its relative or molecular mass in a grams. Okay. So, mass of 1 mole of substance is equal to its relative atomic or molecular mass in grams. The atomic mass of an element give us the mass of one atom of that elements in atomic mass unit. Okay. So, atomic mass of an element what gives? It gives us the mass of one atom of that element in atomic mass units. So, to get mass of 1 mole of atom of that element, तो हमें क्या मिलता है? That is 1 mole of atom of that element, and that is your molar mass. So, we have to take some numerical values but change the units from U to Z. ओके, सो ग्राम मोलिकुलर मास में हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? आज G यूज़ किया जाएगा फॉर हमारे पास मोलर मास ऑफ द एटम, एंड दैट बी नोन एज ग्राम एटॉमिक मास. Okay, so atomic mass is represented by U, but G is basically used for which? That is the molar mass of atom is also known as gram atomic mass. So for example, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 U. Atomic mass is represented by 1 U, but in terms of gram atomic mass, that is used as a 1 gram. Here the U is replaced by the G because here the use of gram atomic mass, not is the here use as a atomic. That is the atomic mass is represent 1 U and gram atomic mass is used as a 1 G. Okay, so 1 U, that is atomic mass of hydrogen, has only one atom of hydrogen, and 1 gram hydrogen mass 1 gram of hydrogen mass has a 1 mole of atom. So here we write is your 1 mole of atom, that is your 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen. Similarly, 16U oxygen has only one atom of oxygen and 16 gram has 1 mole of atom. U stands for atoms of oxygen and G stands for mole of atoms. That means K is equal to the 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms of oxygen. Okay. So, to find out the molecular mass or molar mass of a molecules, so we kept the numerical values of the same as the molecular mass, but simply change the unit as above from the U to G. तो यहाँ पे simply numerical value as same रहेगा, but जो हमारे पास symbols हैं that is simply change as the unit, that is U to G. For example, we have already calculated molecular mass of water, that is your 18U. From here we understand that 18 atomic mass of water has only one molecule of water. 18U हमारे पास क्या है? One water molecule, that is your H2O. But 18 gram has one molecules of water, that is your 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules of water. Means कि हमारे पास जो इतने पार्टिकल्स हैं दैट इज मल्टीप्लाई बाय द नंबर मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ वाटर. तो मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ वाटर के साथ उसको मल्टीप्लाई किया जाएगा. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे हमारे पास आगे इसके रिलेटेड न्यूमेरिकल्स भी हैं. सो केमिस्ट नीड्स द नंबर ऑफ एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स वाइल कैरी आउट द रिएक्शन एंड सम ट्राई टू रिलेट द मास इन ग्राम्स टू द नंबर. ठीक है. तो केमिस्ट को यहाँ पे क्या नीड्स थी कि नंबर ऑफ एटम एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स कितने वहाँ पे कैरी आउट कर रहे हैं इन द रिएक्शन में, उसको फाइंड आउट से उसको रिलेट्स करने के लिए वी ट्राई टू बी फाइंड आउट द मास इन ग्राम्स टू द नंबर. सो हर यूज अ वन फॉर्मूला. ओके, सो दैट इज योर फॉर्मूला फॉर 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 numbers, and that is the relative mass in a grams. Okay, so mole is the chemist for counting the unit. mole को हम जनरली क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? फॉर काउंटिंग ऑफ द यूनिट. The word mole was introduced around in 1896, okay, by the Millinson Oswald, and who derived the term from the Latin word that is moles. Moles means a heap or piles. So a substance may be considered as a heap of atoms or molecules. So the unit mole was accepted in 1967 to provide the simple way of reporting the large number. So हम mole को generally use क्या करते हैं for the large number, the massive heap of the atom and molecules in a sample. So students, I am showing in front of you some related to moles values ki how to be remembers about the mole in terms of atom, in terms of molecules and in terms of particles. Okay, so students, have you already that is given in your book, that is the relation between the moles in terms of Avogadro number and in terms of masses. Okay, so 1 mole of carbon atom in terms of mass, that is 12 gram of carbon atoms. Okay, and 1 mole of carbon atom in terms of Avogadro, that is your 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms of carbon. Okay, similarly for hydrogen, so 1 mole of hydrogen atom is equal to 1 gram of hydrogen atom. Okay, that is given only one hydrogen atom mass, that is your 1 gram, and here the carbon is your 12 क्योंकि because atomic number is 6 and doublet is the mass, that is 12. Similarly for hydrogen 1 mole in terms of Avogadro number, so that is your 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen. In terms of particles, so in terms of particles how to be relates, so that is relative mass of those particles, that is in your grams. कोई भी हमारे पास particles है, that is atom, molecules and ions, that should be write in terms of grams, and in terms of Avogadro then we write in the Avogadro number value, that is your 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 number of particles. Similarly, अगर in case of we asking questions कि how to be explain about the 1 molecules of molecules, so 1 mole of molecule is equal to molecular mass in grams. अब यहाँ पे कंसिडर किया जाएगा मॉलिक्यूलर्स, मीन्स कि H2 मास कितना रहेगा, C2 मास कितना रहेगा, ऑक्सीजन O2 कितना मास रहेगा. दिस इज मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्म. ओके, एंड सिंपल हाइड्रोजन दैट इज एटम. सो मॉलिक्यूलर मास इन ग्राम्स, that is 1 mole of molecule is equal to molecular mass in grams, and 1 mole of molecules that is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 number of molecules. Okay students, so this is about the mole. So next is your some numerical that is already given in your NCERT book. So let's practice and how to be calculate and how to be understand the mole concept. Let's be continue with the numerical section for related your moles. So first numerical is your to calculate the number of moles. So in the question asking to calculate the number of moles for the following, that is 52 gram of helium. So 52 gram of helium से हमें find out करना है number of moles in form of masses के लिए. Second is questions to calculate the number of helium atoms, and this number of helium atom is find out in terms of from a particles. So firstly we write number of moles is represented in small n, given mass value is given as a small m, and the molar mass that is be write in your capital M, and the given number of particle that is write in your capital N, and Avogadro number of particle that is your n naught. Okay, this is your Avogadro particle, that is value is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23, but the given number of particle, this is your given number of particle, this is represented by the capital N. Okay, this is your molar mass and this is your given mass. So given mass is your 52 gram, that is a given mass. Okay, molar mass is the number of, that is the actual mass of the atoms. Okay, and number of moles be calculated into small n. So first is to calculate, they find the moles from a mass. So atomic mass is equal to helium, that is 4U, and molar mass is also 4U, but here the U is represent for atomic mass and G is represent for the molar. Same the numerical value, but just be differentiate between the U and G like this. Atomic is your U and molar mass is your G. So in the question asking to calculate the number of moles, so formula is number of moles, how to calculate, given mass divided by molar mass. So given mass in the question that is 52 gram, and molar mass you have already write in the question that is 4G. So n is the number of moles, small n is represent, given mass is represent the small m, and molar mass is represent the capital M. So substitute all these value into calculates 52 divided by 4 and 34 to the 52. So here the number of moles is 13 in the 52 gram of helium. Okay, second question is your to calculate the number of helium atom in the particles form. So 1 mole is equal to in number of particle, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23, and the number of moles find in the particle form. So similar formula like this, given number of particles. So given number of particle is how many? That is 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23, and Avogadro number, that is this value is your 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. So you can calculate, just divide by this value and there will be obtained result here 2. 6 to the 12s, and this is cancel out. Then after will your result how many number of helium atom, that is your 2. Okay, so this is about your numerical section. So student, next is your to calculate the mass of the following. Calculate the mass, सभी क्वेश्चंस में मास कैलकुलेट करना है. फर्स्ट इज 0.5 मोल ऑफ नाइट्रोजन. 0.5 मोल ऑफ नाइट्रोजन गैस में कितना मास है हमारे पास? सो मास फ्रॉम मोल ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स. सो यू नो दैट कि हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द मोल, दैट इज गिवन मास डिवाइड बाय मोलर मास. But here question asking to calculate the mass or in terms of moles. So given mole is 0.5 means कि n की वैल्यू हमारे पास given है 0.5. ओके, ये हमें कैलकुलेट करना है, ये भी हमारे पास गिवन है, हमें पता है कितना है. सो मास इज इक्वल टू मोलर मास इंटू नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. सो मास m इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल M इज मोलर मास. सो मोलर मास इज 28 because nitrogen is the 7 atomic number and 14 is the atomic mass. And 14 is the 2 because here twice. So 14 to this 28, and 28 is multiplied by n. N is the number of moles and that is given in the question, that is 0.5. So 28 multiplied 0.5 is equal to 14 gram. So 14 gram is the mass of nitrogen that is present in the 0.5 moles. Similarly, the next question that is asking 0.5 moles of nitrogen atom, that also be calculated the mass from the mole of atom. So same pattern in this question, just here be write in terms of molecules, in terms of atom. So okay, so m into n is equal to 14. Here is double, here is single. 14 is multiplied 0.5 is equal to 7 gram. In the third questions, to calculate the number of atom. Number of atom is calculated. Okay, so number of atoms को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमारे पास क्या चाहिए? इन टर्म्स ऑफ मासेस में, दैट इज नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स को हमें फाइंड आउट करना है, दैट इज गिवन इन द टर्म्स ऑफ पार्टिकल्स. सो नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल इज इक्वल टू n and Avogadro, that is n naught. So substitute the value according to the question, that is 3.011 into 10 raised to the power 23 and divide by the Avogadro number, that is given the number of moles. अब next thing is what? To calculate the mass in terms of moles. moles हमारे पास calculate हो गए and molar mass हमें पता है. So m is equal to m into n. Molar mass of nitrogen is what? That is your 14. Okay, and n is the number of moles, that is your calculated value 0.5. means कि हमारे पास mass of number of nitrogen atom in number of hydrogen में कितने atoms का mass है, that is a 7 gram of nitrogen mass. In the last, that is last part of this question, 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 number of N2 molecules and mass from the number. अब mass भी हमें किस में कैलकुलेट करना है? numbers की terms के साथ. So m is equal to m into n. n is the number of moles. So given particle and Avogadro number, mass is the nitrogen 28 multiplied by this value, and this is cancel out because both are the same value, and 28 is multiplied by is equal to 28 of gram. So 28 को multiply 1 के साथ because they are cancel out to each other, and 1 we obtain from this value, 28 multiplied by 28 gram. Okay, so this is the calculated mass of the following different in the terms. Okay, so this is about your chapter, and doing next numerical with itself. Okay, you can easily understand how to be calculate, and this question is also doing. Okay students, so thank you and have a nice day. I hope you understand about the mole concept. This is very important and try this.